basically. Since you kill most of the mobs. Oh! Oh my god, it actually is a vaccine! Oh my god. Okay, Matt, it was nice knowing you.
just pressed. What? Why aren't we killing him? Baby!
No, I need to put on melee for. Oh my god, holy shit.
Just
where is
tank
he?
it. Just tank it. It's easy. Okay,
Yeah.
it's not that easy.
Where is he? Fucking pussy. Fight me! Fight me! Oh, I'm dead. Oh. The
Oh,
skeleton.
Leech took the wheel.
The
I
skeleton.
just got the challenge. Yeah, you have to kill Maxith for a challenge.
Oh, yes. Feels good, man. No, please
Oh,
don't
there's
kill
the
me,
boss.
boss.
Oh, thank. Never mind, you just unlocked him.
Hell
I
yeah.
was face taking a Maxith.
Hell yeah. That was dang.
Oh, it was actually a Maxith.